Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Are you looking to create an awesome YouTube intro that grabs attention and boost your brand? In this video, I will show you how to design a professional and engaging intro using Canva. No prior experience required, okay? So if you're ready, let's get started. So the first step is for you to head over to Canva and log in, okay, or sign up for free account, okay. Canva is user-friendly tool that offers tons of templates and customized option for all skills level, okay. So please, if you haven't signed up, for me, I've already signed up to Canva. So once you launch the Canva and you sign up, okay, and once you sign up or you log in, the first thing you do, you come to the search bar here and type YouTube intro, okay. Like I mentioned, we have a tons of templates that are available, okay. This is one of the templates that I've been using for my videos. Like if you can see this one that is displaying on the screen, it's actually one of the ones that I use, okay. So if you like, you can see all templates, okay. So I've been using this template. So for me now, I just need to tap on either one of these. So what you need is just tap on the first template. If you like, you can create yours from scratch, okay, but for this tutorial we are going to use only the template. So now you can customize the text. Where you see this circle is where I'm actually going to place my photo or your logo. If you have a logo, your brand logo, you can place it there, okay. So the first thing we'll do, we head over to, we change the text, okay. We change the text to the name of your brand. So for me, my brand is SmartCess-Tech, okay. SmartCess-Tech, okay. So this is SmartCess-Tech. If you like, you can change the color of the text. So I will use this one. You can play with the color that match your brand, okay. So probably I will use yellow. You see, it's all good how you want it to be, okay. We are going to head over to element and search for the picture frame. This is picture frame. So what I would do, I would select this circle, this one with the round circle, and tap on it, and we resize it a little bit. Use your fingers to resize it to fit the hole there, and this is what exactly you see on my channel. You know, it's my intro channel. Sometimes I use it, you know, at the beginning of my distance. So now we are set, okay. So guys, let's go and add photo, okay. So I'm looking for a photo of me. I'm using this one, okay. So I'm going to add this one to my channel. So first of all, we resize it and crop it this way and bring it down, make it like this, done. So guys, as you can see, right, now we are set with this one. And so guys, we are going to change the font. If you like, you can change the font of the text. You see here, this is the font of the text. You tap on the font. You can play with any one of these fonts, okay. You can choose any one of them, but for me, I'm okay with this one. I just need to copy like this, bring it so it can be straight like that, okay. We are going to animate this text. so this text, the SmartCess-Tech, so it can display. Okay, it doesn't need to stand still like that. So what we do, we select here where this is animate, so you tap on it. You tap on this animate option that you are seeing here, and how do you want your text to display? You see, as you can see, SmartCess is moving. Okay, so you can play with, you see, the way this one appears. So you can actually customize your text, all of that. Okay, let's see what works best for us. Okay, so guys, let's play with it and see. There are several options here that you can use. So for me, I'll go with this first one, the typewriter. If you like, you can add sound to this. You tap on audio, and there are a lot of sounds here that you can use. So you can use either any one of the sound, but if you have your own sound that you might want to use, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, for me, I have my own sound. Once you're done, this is how you can make a YouTube this thing for yourself. Okay, so once you're done, what I will do, I will head over to CapCut. Okay, so I will download this video first. Once it's finished downloading, we take it to CapCut. Okay, the video I've already exported. We close our Canva and head over to CapCut. So I'm going to add sound to it. So I will head over to CapCut, create new project, add the video that you created in Canva, and then here we go. So now we are going to choose our aspect ratio. This is the aspect ratio. This one is for YouTube, this into, so I will select 16:9. Okay, and then we are set, and then we head over to sticker. Okay, we head over to sticker and search for subscribe. Okay, you can see, you can search for any one of this one. So let's use this one. So here it is. You click on good, and then if you can, like, you can put this subscribe icon here. One more thing, I will bring in I'll head over to sticker again and bring in the like. So I'll select this like icon here, and then press on good, and then I think I have to move this one here because the like is supposed to be here. Okay, and then one more thing, we are going to bring we are going to bring in this one, this finger. Okay, we're going to bring in this finger, and then let it be here for now. And then so this finger will be here, so I'll bring it down here and animate it. Okay, so now I'm going to animate this. So I'll tap on this finger and animate it. Click on animation, and we search for this one. Okay, slide to left. If you like, you can make it fast, or if you like, you can make it very fast. So you move here, let's bring it here, down here. So once I tap on it, once I tap on the animation, I'll bring this one, and then so want this finger to come up to this subscribe and tap on the subscribe. Okay, so let's play this. Let's see. As you can see. Okay, so guys, so then we are going to duplicate this one again, this finger, for this one, and then here it is. We make it very small, we resize it. So for this one, we take it way down here and tap on animation again and choose slide up, so it will move from down to up straight to the like. Okay, so let's see. So let's play with the speed and adjust it. Okay, slide up. So we bring it and how they subscribe, and you see we have the like. Okay, this is just a simple animation. Okay, so then you see we have the like and subscribe, so you can play with it. Okay, so and then one more thing, we are done already. So one more thing, we are going to add sound to this. Okay, and then we head over to audio and tap on audio, select sound. Me, I already have my sound. Okay, my sound that I created for myself. So then I'll tap on device and see my YouTube signature. So this is what I've been using for myself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You have just created your very own YouTube intro using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it up a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, okay, for more tips and tricks. Bye. See you in my next tutorial.